My dear friends, welcome back to Be Spice. This is Rambala with you. Okay, so here in this topic, we will discuss about cable designation. So, designation in the sense, you see, friends, here this installation, you have all this coding, right? XLPE, and you have this, outer sheath, PE, HTPE, all these, right? So, inner sheath, you have a, PVC, PV, all these LSOH, all these are there, right? So this is what we are going to talk about this. See, talk about in the sense, we are going to discuss about, the cable for direct burial, meaning outdoor use, okay? And also cable for outdoor above ground installation. Then thermocouple extension cable for outdoor above ground installation. Then thermocouple extension cable for direct burial. Then Fieldbus cable for outdoor above ground installation. Then same Fieldbus cable for direct burial. And fire resistant cable for outdoor. And fire resistant cable for direct burial. Then fiber optic cable for outdoor. So these are the things we are going to focus. Okay. So I will take you through the session so you will understand more actually. Okay. So this is what I meant, friends. When we order a cable, we have this code, right? LS, ZH, MGT, XLPE, IS, OS. Yes, this is what we are going to discuss. Each and every aspect we are going to discuss. So first we will talk about cable for direct burial. This is for outdoor use, but direct burial. Okay. So INC cable for analog and digital, low smoke, zero halogen, flame retardant or fire resistant cable type. This are used for outdoor installation. So that will be identified with this designation. So like this, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, right? So one, what is that one? So basically here we talk about the core insulation. So core insulation in the sense XLPE, MGT XLPE. Like XLPE means cross-linked polyethylene. MGT means mica impregnated glass tape. Okay. EPR means ethylene propylene rubber. Like MGT EPR means mica impregnated with EPR. Then S95 means cross-linked silicone rubber. MGT 95 means mica impregnated with the S95. So this is the core insulation. So then coming to the second one, that is screen actually. So IS, OS, OS. OS means overall screen. IS and OS means individual and overall screen. This you know, right? Yes. Then number three, inner jacket. This one, LSZ, sketch. That is flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. Then EPR, equivalent EPR of LSSH. LSZH. Okay. Then you have SHF2, equivalent silicon rubber. Okay. Then you have a inner sheath, number 4. This is for the moisture and chemical barrier. So we have lead sheath and multi-layer sheath, LS and MLS. Then bedding, LZSH. Again, flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. Okay. Then armor, GSWA. That is galvanized steel wire armor. Then outer jacket also same as inner jacket. LZSH, that is the flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. Then EPR, okay, ethylene, propylene, rubber. Then you have SHF2, okay. So the equivalent silicon rubber. Then number of cores, pairs or triads. See, these are standards, 2 core, 3 core, 4 core, 7 core, 11 core. All these are standard. Then we have a single pair, single triad, single quadrant. Same ways, 2 pair, 2 triad, 2 quadrant. 10 pair, 10T, that is triad, then 10Q quadrant. Okay, like this. So this is how we actually come out with this designation, friends. So when we order, we need to be very watchful and will ensure that what our requirements are met. So this is for the direct burial, outdoor use. Then the next one, this is actually not burial, but still again outdoor cable. Okay. So here also same, friends. You can see here core insulation. You see here XLPE, MGT, XLPE, EPR, MGT, EPR, S95, MGT 95. This is about the core. Then screen also you have all the option, overall, individual and overall. Then inner jacket, LZSH. Then armor also same. Outer jacket also same. Only thing is there are many options. That is for burial. Inner jacket we have many options, but here only one option here. That is what. The number of cores is as usual. There is nothing much to deliberate on this. Then additionally, we have the sectional area of the each conductor we put it. It can be 1 square mm, 1.5 or 2.5. So basically it's based on your project's requirement. Then also this also a CSA, cross sectional area of each conductor. So this is about the cable designation for the outdoor. So this is how we order it. So I hope friends, of course, experienced engineers knows, but this is again targeted for intermediates and freshers. When we order the cable, we should know what we are ordering, right? Okay. Then we'll go into the thermocouple, friends. This is a little bit different, but again, same. The core, all these, they are same. Okay. Here, thermocouple extension cable, low smoke, zero halogen, flame retardant or fire resistant. This is for above ground insulation. Okay, above ground insulation. So same case, you see the core insulation, XLPE, MGT mica impregnated, then EPR, ethylene propylene rubber, then MGT EPR, S95 silicone rubber, MGT 95 mica impregnated silicone rubber. Okay. So this is the core insulation, not much of difference. Then screen also OS, IS and OS. Then inner jacket L, Z, SH, same. Armor also same. Outer jacket also same. Only the number of pairs here it differs. 1 pair, 2 pair, 10 pair and 20 pair. Okay. So this is for the thermocouple extension cable. Just remember friends, this is extension cable. Okay. Then cross section is 1 mm square or 1.5 square mm. And additionally, we need to also state the thermocouple type, whether it's a B, E, K, J, N or S or type T. All these we need to specify. So finally, your code will come like this, friends. Okay. So like, follow with your core, then you have your screen, then you have your inner jacket, then you have your armor, you have your outer jacket, then you have your pad, then you have your, size, and you have the type of thermocouple. That's what. That's it, friends. Very simple, right? So this is the thermocouple. Okay. Then we have a thermocouple for barrier, direct barrier. That is underground. Okay. So the designation also same actually, core insulation. There's not much of difference actually. XLPE, MGT, XLPE, EPR. Friends, remember we will be using only one of the code. I just gave the types available here. Okay. Then screen also like this, OS, IS and OS. Then inner jacket, we have options here. If you see here, the previous one, we have only one type. But here, because of a burial, right? So you have other options also. LZSH, then you have EPR, SF, H2 also. Okay. Then inner sheath also we have same actually, lead sheath and multi-layer sheath. Bedding is there. Okay. And one point you remember, you here in this outdoor, you would want to have a bedding. That one you remember. Okay. So here we have a bedding and armor same. Outer jacket also same. The number of pairs also same. Then conductor size also same. And we need to specify this. Remaining all same, friends. Okay. Only add-on is this inner jacket and outer jacket. You have additional options actually. That's it. And of course the bedding. This is the barrier. Then we have a Fieldbus cable for above ground, outdoor. Okay. So this is, see, the also same actually, XLPE, MGT, XLPE, EPR, MGT, EPR. Yes, 95. Okay. Then one difference is here foil screen actually. See here in the previous one we talk about screen, but here we call it as a foil screen. So OS means overall foil screen. IS and OS means individual foil and overall foil screen. That is the difference here in the Fieldbus. So each foil screen is an aluminum tape, plastic coated on one surface with a metal surface in contact with the drain wire. This is the construction in this. Then we have an inner jacket. So as you can see here, we have a flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. Additionally, we have this option also braid, tinned copper braid in continuous contact with the drain wire. This is also one of the options available here. Okay. Then you see armor, same galvanized steel wire armor. Then you have a outer jacket, same actually, LZSH. The number of pairs, these are the pairs, single pair, 2 pair, 5 pair, 10 pair as standard. And conductor size 1 square mm or 1.5. So if you look at the designation, it will be like this. XLPE, IS and OS, LSZH, LZSH, ZHWA, LZSH, then 2 pair, 1.5 mm square on orange. And this is the color. As you know, Fieldbus cable is orange color, right, friends? So this is the look and feel and designation of the Fieldbus cable above ground, outdoor. Then we have the fieldbus cable for direct burial. So this is again, core remains the same. There is not much of difference, and screen also remains same. Inner jacket also remains same. Inner sheath also same. Yeah, I think the inner sheath here it's not there, right? Yeah, inner sheath is not there. So the additional is inner sheath. When we talk about burial, we have an inner sheath also because the moisture and chemical effects all these. Then we have a bedding also additional. Armor remains the same and outdoor jacket is remains the same. So the only difference in this designation is you see here this guy inner jacket, inner moisture, inner sheath basically. Yeah, inner sheath. So that one we need to add on this one. Okay, whether it is a LS or MLS. Okay, then remaining all same. So always remember for direct burial, we have a difference. The inner sheath is there and also the bedding is there. Okay, good to go. Now we'll talk about, see, so far we have talked about flame retardant. Okay, now we talk about the fire resistant cable. Okay, so in the fire resistant cable, if you talk about this outdoor, right? Yes, outdoor. This actually low smoke, zero halogen, flame retardant or fire resistant. Yeah, we can have both options. So here, the XLPE, flame retardant, crosslink, yeah, XLPE is there. And you have this MGT EPR, there's not much difference. And here only difference is the core shall be laid up with extruded flame retardant compound filler up to 5 cores. For 6 core or more, wrapping a polyester tape is required. So that is the only difference here. Fire resistant cable. Okay. So core shall be laid with extruded flame retardant. There's no doubt actually, but up to 5 core. So more than 5 core, more of a wrapping of polyester tape is required. So that is what they mentioned. And if you have any question on this, friend, you can write to me. And in fact, I uploaded the previous 4-5 videos. There I talked about each and every component level. Okay, right. So the screen remains same and the inner jacket also same. See, remember this is outdoor above ground. So we don't have that kind of option. Many option like bedding, all this, inner sheath, all this. Then we have armor. Okay. Then we have a outer jacket. This is also same. The number of cores, it's like a 2 core, 4 core, 7 core as standard, and size, each of the size is 2.5 square number minimum. This is fire resistant. Okay. So finally, this product will look like this actually. And the sheet color is black here. Okay. Then direct burial. Again, we talk about direct burial. Only difference is you have this inner sheath. Okay. Additionally and bedding. That's it. So again, this is the same actually. The look and feel will be like this. MGT, XLPE, ISOS, LZSH, MLS or LS depends on your requirement. Then LSZH, GSWA, LZSH, then 7 core. They're basically your choice. I mean, your requirement. Then the size of the cable and the color. That's it. So this is about the fire resistant for direct burial. Okay. Then we talk about the fiber optic for outdoor above ground. This is totally different. In fact, this will be totally different. As you can see here, this is fiber optic and glass fiber grade code. See, as you can see here, friends, just pay attention. This is totally different from normal cable. We have both four options. Single mode glass fiber, SMF. Then we have a multi-mode glass fiber, MMF. Then we have OM1. So basically, this is grade 1. 62.5 62.5 bar 120 micrometer multi-mode, and OM2 means grade 2 50 by 125 micrometer multi-mode. Then we have a OM3, that is grade 3. So basically, if you see the grade 1, 2 and all, see there is a difference in the size, see, to 62, this is 50, and this OM3 is grade 3, 50 by 125 multi-mode. Then OM4, grade 4, again this is 50 by 125 multi-mode. OS2, this is grade S actually, single mode. So these are the options actually for the fiber type. Okay, there we talk about core, right? We talk about fiber. This is very important actually. Okay, then we have a buffer tube and quantity of fiber per tube. So basically, you see here, PBT. The buffer tube is PBT. We call it as a polybutylene terephthalate. Okay, PBT. Then we have HF, halar fluoroplastic. Then we have other equivalent to PBT or HF materials. Okay. So minimum 6 fibers per buffer tube. Each extruded buffer tube with a moisture resistant a resistant gel filling compound. So minimum 6 fibers per buffer tube. Okay. So multiple buffer tubes are to be twisted around the dielectric material and a rod provided for central strength together with the filler core wherever required. Okay. So this is about a fiber buffer tube actually. Okay. Then we have a separator, friends. See, separator is means that inner sheath. So in the foil, this one is the thing actually. You see, aramid yarn for strength and aluminum foil were wrapping of or separator. Foil core wrapping. Aramid, aramid yarn for strength and aluminum foil core wrapping or separator. This is water. Then we have a tape actually, water blocking. We call it as a E-glass yarn, water blocking E-glass yarn and polyester tape together with aramid strength members and a ripcord. Then we have a LSZH, flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. Yeah, this is the separator inner sheath. Then you have armor. Armor is basically aluminum tape armor and a ripcord. And we have a polyester tape also, PT. Then we have a corrugated steel tape armor also. This is also different. Then inner jacket as usual. See L, S, Z, SH1 and 2. Basically this one flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound. And this flame retardant, low smoke, zero halogen compound together with aramid strength members. So that's the construction. Armor, we have two options. One is a galvanized steel, other is a corrugated steel. Then outer jacket is same actually, similar to other cable. The number of fibers also, this is standard 6, 12, 24 like that. This is about the fiber optic cables. So finally the designation will come like this. SMF meaning single mode. Then OS2. OS2 means what? Yeah, this guy, single mode. Okay, right. Then we have PBT. That is what is that? PBT means polybutylene terephthalate. Then we have a 6 tape. Yeah, this one you can call it as a this one, right? The minimum 6 fibers per buffer tube, right? So 6 tape. Then you have AT. What is that AT? AT is nothing but aluminum tape armor. Then we have ZH1. So basically flame retardant together with aramid strength and ZSH, that is again outer jacket. Then 24, basically that is a fiber. Okay, fiber, number of fibers. Then we have a black, friends. So this is how we designate this fiber optic cable for outdoor installation above ground. Okay, so that's it, friends. I hope you got some insights. Yeah, it's sorry, actually the picture is so small, actually tiny. But yeah, I hope you have got some ideas on this cable designation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.